guys, welcome to RC Farms. My name's Brian and welcome to the channel. Brand new channel, very first video, and as of now we have 0 subscribers. But the idea of the channel is the RC hobby, and we're going to use the RCs to farm in our backyard. It's going to be really cool. So if you haven't played the game Farm Simulator, it's basically what it says it is. It's a farm simulator, and we're going to kind of do the same thing. We're going to farm with RCs, but we're going to kind of set it up in that simulator style. We'll be starting in the hard mode, and hard mode means that all you have is a shop. No money, no equipment, no lot of land. So you have to take a loan out from the bank to purchase your equipment, purchase the lots of land, and with that to make somewhat of a profit so you can pay that loan off and make something of your business. So I'm going to take you guys around and show you some of the lots that are available, but these are pretty expensive, and these lots are not in our budget right now. I am looking at a couple auction sites, and I do see one coming available. We're going to bid on it and see what we get. But yeah, let's walk around. I'll show you what's available here. So this lot here is what we consider the dog lot. There's a lot of cleanup that needs to be done. Quite expensive. And of course here we have the backyard lot up against that fence there. It's a kind of a narrow section. Or this lot is available, but you've got to deal with the velociraptors. Very aggressive, but yet can be quite rewarding with the eggs that they lay. All right, this piece over here is what we call the corner lot. And I do believe it's subdivided into 3 sections. I think this is one of the corner lot, 2, and then over here is the 3rd lot that's available. So don't have the funds right now to purchase this piece or any of these pieces. They're quite expensive. And then we have the Raptor lots, 1, 2, and 3. Like I said, rewarding with the eggs, but quite aggressive creatures. It's a good thing that we're behind the fence here. And here is the lemon lot. It can be quite profitable with the lemons that drop, but yet quite dangerous for the equipment from a heavy lemon dropping on top of it. So off of the lemon lot, we have what is considered the east lot. It's a small, narrow section. As you guys saw before, behind the fence there, that is the corner lot. And next to the corner lot is the quarry. It's pretty much from the corner, let's see, the corner right here comes out and then goes out towards the fence there. But all these lots cost quite a bit, so we're going to have to find something a little cheaper. All right, guys, behind the trailer here, this is what we call the south lot. It's a very narrow section along the warehouse here. So this is the lot that's up for auction. Helicopter salvage yard. Apparently, the person that owned it had recently passed away, and he had no one to leave it to. So yeah, it's going up for auction. Hoping to get a good price on it. We put a bid in on it, and we'll see what happens. But the helicopters here, they're not functional, but they got a lot of parts and motors and batteries that we might be able to use to maybe make one helicopter good, or possibly use the parts to build a farm rig or a piece of farm equipment if we need to do so. So a lot of other people don't want to deal with this problem, but I think it might benefit us. And then we come down here, just got a lot of parts and pieces. Looks like some chain. We could definitely use some chain, some wheels, extra batteries. I'm not sure if they're good or not. Some piping. So the idea would be to clean all this up, pull everything out of this lot. We'll take it to our shop and dismantle and store what we can. But the idea would be to put it in a worm bin. Maybe put it up on the corner there, and then we'll truck in some dirt and make access up into the bin so we can manage the worms. Hopefully we can get the winning bid. All right, so those were some of the areas that are available. Like I said before, pretty expensive. We do have that property coming available on auction, and I think that's the one we're going to go with. We've got equipment arriving, so let's go inside and we'll do some unboxing and show you guys what we've got.